Gentlemen, great to see you. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. In this video, I talk about top 5 hair care tips that every guy should follow. Now, if you're someone who is currently okay with hair fall and hair loss, then this video is definitely not for you. On the other hand, if you want to take care of your losses loss of amazingness, then this video is might insane for you. So we all know hair pollution diseases are very high. You know what happens when you step out of your door? And those toxins makes your hair dull, dry, more specifically less amazingness. Now if you're only okay with that, then whatever, this video is really not for you. If you're someone kind of serious with your hair goal or want to look as amazing hair as anybody can humanly possible, then stick with me. So the number of things that anybody can do to make his hair or her hair insanely amazing in just a freaking day is apply, more specifically invest in a premium quality hair serum. Yes, hair serum are absolutely devastatingly for your hair because it gives your hair all that good stuff that your hair needs to be much more amazing, healthy, and stay amazing. Number 2, stop applying shampoo every single day. Now, if you don't know, shampoo is good for your hair, but if you apply shampoo every single day, then you should not apply shampoo every single day because when you apply shampoo or when you wash your shampoo or when you wash your hair with high quality shampoo or low quality shampoo, whatever, it strips out all that natural oil that your hair needs to be much more amazing. That is the ultimate reason behind dry hair and dry scalp. And dry scalp causes dandruff. Number 3, don't hesitate to oil. Or actually don't hesitate to applying oil on your hair. Now if you someone's not applying oil on your hair, then click on that button. This is a full video I make couple of months ago. In this video or in which video I talk about what the benefits of applying oil to your hair every single day. Please watch this. Your hair needs that or this. Number 4, choose a hairstyle that actually requires little heat or no heat also. The main point is stop applying heat to your hair. Heat is absolutely devastating for your hair because it strips out all that natural oil and all that moisture from your hair. If you don't know what's wrong with blow dryer, then search on Google or YouTube. There is a ton of video out there in which you get the knowledge why heat is actually devastating for your hair health. And the last but not the least, the fifth thing you need to follow to make your hair look gloriously amazing is stop applying hair products to your hair because hair products are absolutely devastating for your hair health. If you're someone who actually use a ton of hair product every single day, then this is something you can possibly digest because this is the main reason why you're losing a lot of hair every single day. Don't believe me? Just do a simple thing for at your own. Stop applying your hair rocks, PC, salt spray, and all that bad stuff or good stuff, whatever. For one freaking week, you will change. More specifically, you will notice the change on your hair. So these are the basic things that you need or should to follow to make sure your hair looks amazing. Not just today, because at the age of 40, when everybody is going to bald, you are the one who's actually have insane hair at the age of 40. Now, if someone want that hair on your scalp, then follow this from now.